Good morning, children. So this is page number 17, open page number 179, fourth lesson in EVS, water sources. So now look at the pictures. Put a tick on the activities that show wastage of water. Okay. So here, see, while brushing, he kept the tap running. So this is a water wastage activity, and here she is using a sprinkler, so it is good. And here they are playing with the water, so this is wrong. Okay, so now water is very important for us. Yes, no, children, every day we need water to complete our daily activities, like for brushing or bathing or like that. Okay, so now coming into the lesson, we need water to do many things every day. We must not waste water. So we need water to do many things every day, and we should not waste water. So sources of water now. Okay, we get water from different places. Okay, so from different places we get water. So these are called the sources of water. So from where we get water, so that is called the source of water. Okay, we get water from different places. These are called sources of water. Okay, so when it rains, rainwater fills lakes, tanks and ponds. So when it rain, so these lakes, tanks and ponds will be outside. No, children, that is the rainwater fills these. Some of the rainwater always go under the ground. This is called underground water. So sometimes the water will go under the ground. So the rainwater will go under the ground. Then this is called underground water. Okay, sorry, groundwater. Okay, so see, this is the lake, pond, well, hand pump, spring, river. So these are the different types of sources of water we will get. Well, you can mostly find when you go to villages. We will find this well and hand pump. So people over there, they will use these sources as water. Okay, this hand pump, underground there will be water source from which we can pump and collect the water. And in well we have to collect through a bucket tied to a rope. Okay, children, so lake, pond, well, hand pump, spring, river are different sources of water. Okay, now we dig wells to get groundwater. So sometimes as we have learnt here, the water will go under the ground, so that is called groundwater. So we will dig these wells, see, like this. So underground there will be water, groundwater, so that we can use them. Okay, and it can be brought out through hand pump. See, so underground there will be water, and if we dig and keep this hand pump, we can collect water from this hand pump. Okay, in some places water gushes out from the underwater. These are called the springs. See here, the underground water gushes and it will flow out. Okay, so the water will flow out, then that is called as the spring. Okay, so that is called the spring. And we also get water from rivers. So rivers like Godavari, Krishna, Ganga, all these are the different types of rivers in our India. Okay, there are also many other rivers, so we also can get water from these rivers. Okay, children, so we can also collect water from these rivers. Next, when the ice on the top of the mountain melts, it becomes water. So when, see, usually when we keep in fridge ice cubes, when we take them out from the fridge, what will happen? For some time they will become water. So same way, the ice which is present on the top of the mountain will also melt, and it also becomes water. So that ice also melts and it also becomes water. So which ice? The ice which is present on the mountain. Okay, so this water flows down as stream. So when the this ice melts and it turns into water, and when it comes down, it is called as the streams. Okay, small streams join to form a big river. So small streams from different parts of area, they will come and they will combine into the big river. Okay, okay children, so these are the sources of water. So we can collect from lake, pond, underground well, and a hand pump. We can collect underground water through the hand pump, and when the underground water gushes out, then it will form a spring like this, it will flow. And river, okay, we have many types of river. We can also get water from all these sources. Okay, and streams means on mountains when there is ice, then when the ice melts and comes down, it forms the stream. So when it forms the stream, different streams form into a main big river. Okay, so see, this stream is coming from here and this stream is coming from here, and together they're joining at one place. So after joining at one place, they will join into the big river. Okay, big river, they will join these small streams. Okay children, so about 71% of earth's surface is covered by water. So earth means our globe. Okay, our earth, 71% of water it is covered. The surface of the earth is covered with 71% of water. Okay, now potable water. So what is potable water? The water which is safe for drinking are called potable water. Okay, the water which are safe for drinking are called potable water. So potable water means we can drink them. Okay, so potable water has no dirt or germs, so we have to drink clean water. So that is the reason potable water has no dirt or germs. Okay, we can make water fit for drinking by boiling and filtering. So usually in olden days and nowadays also, if we wanted the pure water without germs, then we have to boil the water and we have to filter it. Okay, and also by filtering it. Okay, we have to boil the water and we have to filter the water. Okay, filtering of water means children, we have all these aqua guards, water filters, all these will help the water to filter. Okay children, now drinking water should be stored in a clean vessel with a lid. So if we store drinking water in pot or in bottles, we have to store it in a vessel which it is having lid, so that any germs or anything which are present in the air will not enter the water. So if we leave it uncovered, then all the if we leave it uncovered, then all the germs will go and settle in the water, which will make it dirty. Okay, so here about 70% of sea is polluted by industrial waste. So why the sea is polluted by industrial waste? Why? Because all the factories are constructed far away from the city, near the seas. So when the factories emit pollution, all the pollution will go and settle in the water. So that is the reason the sea is polluted by industrial waste. Okay, so now look at the picture given. You can see the way in which the water is getting dirty. Discuss in class. So see here children, this is the factory and here we are having a water resource. So this factory is throwing all the waste into the water. So see, it is making the water very dirty because all the chemicals and all will be present in the factory. So when they are thrown into the water, it becomes dirty. Okay children, so we should always construct the factories away from the water sources. Okay, so now in sources of water, what we have: lakes, ponds, rivers, and wells. And potable water is the water which is safe for drinking, which has no germs and dirt. Okay, now things you know. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Water that is fit for drinking is called what? It is called potable. Potable, potable water. Okay, water that is fit for drinking is called potable water. Dash in water can make us sick. Germs. 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 Okay, germs in water can make us sick. Water gushes out under the ground as springs. 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 Water gushes out under the ground as springs. Drinking water must be stored in a clean vessel. If we keep in dirty vessels, even the water will become dirty. If we keep in clean vessels, the water will be clean. So CLEAN, clean. POTABLE, potable. GERMS, germs. SPRINGS, springs. CLEAN, clean. Next. Now, look at the word box. Find the same words in the word grid and circle them. So, cooler. COOLER, cooler. Okay. Next, river. Where is R? RI? No. RIVER, river. Okay, next, ice. ICE, ice. Okay, next, well. WELL, well. Next, lake. Search for L. So L, check around. So here LAKE, lake. Next, tank. TANK, tank. So this river, ice, well, lake, tank, cooler, all these are related to water. WATER, water. WATER, water. Okay, now put a tick for the statements that are correct and a cross for those that are wrong. We must waste water. It is wrong. We should always save water for our future generations. Small streams join to form a river. True. So keep a tick mark. We should boil or filter water before drinking. Yes. Keep a tick. We have to boil and we have to filter the water. Okay. Name any two sources of water. Well, hand pump. WELL, well, comma, HAND, hand, PUMP, pump. WELL, well, HAND, hand, PUMP, pump, hand pump. What is the water that gets collected under the ground called? Groundwater. GROUND, ground. WATER, water, groundwater. GROUND, ground. WATER, water, groundwater. What are the different places we get water from called? What are the different places we get water from called? Sources. SOURCES, sources of water. Okay. SOURCES, sources of WATER, water. 1 second, children. Okay. Sources of water. Okay, so name any two sources of water. Well, hand pump. What is the water that gets collected under the ground? Groundwater. What are the different places we get water from called sources of water? Okay, now look at the pictures below matched for their correct captions. Okay, here the buffaloes are bathing in the water, so the cattle bathing in the water. Here people are washing clothes, and this one throwing waste in the factory waste in the water. Okay, throwing factory waste in the water. Okay, children, so we have completed the lesson. Okay, here, okay, we have a small exercise, like it shows us how to keep the water clean. So we have to take a clean jar and tie a fine muslin cloth, means the cloth which is very thin, but it is useful for filtering. Okay, so like this we can tie. Then we have to pour some dirty water into the jar which is covered with this cloth. Then we can see what all the germs will settle here. All the germs or dirt will settle here, and this is the water which is clean. Okay, water is clean. Okay, so of course the water still has tiny germs that cannot be removed by muslin cloth. So be sure not to drink water without boiling. Although if the water is clean, but it will have small germs which the muslin cloth cannot filter. So we have to always boil the water. Okay, children, so that is about the lesson water resources. Water. Okay, so thank water sources. Okay, children, thank you, have a good day. Complete the exercises. Okay, and once again read the lesson.